Hey everyone, welcome back to 1 Minute School. Today we're diving into the world of APK decompilation. We'll show you how to decompile any APK file and extract the source code using just your PC. Remember, this is for educational purposes only. Don't use this method to harm or hack apps you don't own. Let's start with the tools you'll need. Number 1, the APK file you want to decompile. Number 2, Java JDK. Make sure it's installed and add it to your system path. Number 3, APKTool. This helps decode the resources and manifest files. Number 4, Dex2Jar to convert Dex files into jar format. Number 5, JD-GUI to view the decompiled Java code from the jar file. All of these tools are free and links are included in the video description. Now let's get into the step-by-step process. Step 1. Copy your APK file into a new folder and rename it to something simple, like myap.apk. Step 2. Open Command Prompt inside that folder and type APKTool D myap.apk. This will decode the APK into readable XML files, resources, and Smiley code. Step 3. Now let's extract the Java code. Use dex2jar by running d2j dex2jar.bat myap.apk. This will create a new file named myapdex2jar.jar. Step 4. Open this jar file using JD-GUI. Now you can view the original Java source code of the app, function by function. Here's a bonus tip. If you want to edit and rebuild the APK, make your changes inside the decompiled folder, then run APKTool be my app. This will rebuild the APK file. To install it on your phone, you'll need to sign it using APK Signer. One more important thing, only decompile APKs that you have created or have permission to analyze. Doing this on paid or copyrighted apps without permission is illegal and can get you in serious trouble. And that's it. That's how you decompile APK files and get the full source code using free tools. Use this method to understand how Android apps are built, for debugging, or to recover your own lost source code. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more tech hacks from 1 Minute School. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.